In order to put your story into the Google form, you need to have out your the form and your story next to each other once you finish typing. So in the first part, you'll see where it says add form description. That's where you're going to put your story. So you're going to highlight, and then you're going to copy and paste the words into where it says add section. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the plus sign. This will let you add the question. So then you're going to go back, highlight the question, copy it, and paste it in. You want a multiple choice question, and then you're going to put in your two options. So option 1 is it's important that you keep these separated. You're going to highlight, copy, and put it as option 1. And then click on that for the next option, and then you're going to go back, copy, and paste the second one. Now, before we can move on, we need to go where these three dots are. We want to click on the one that says go to section based on answer. So I'm going to click on that one. So this was the first option. We want to go to section 2. If someone chooses this option, it says section 2. So when we go back, we're going to click on section 2. If someone chooses this answer, they'll go to section 3. So we need to make sure that that one says go to section 3. Okay, now we're ready to go on to the next section. So if you don't have a title, you can just click and press delete, and we're going to press this description. That's where we're going to put in. So in section 2, these are the words I need to copy and paste. I can also do this by holding down Control-C or Control-V to copy and paste. Now, when I see this one ends, this part of the story ends. So it says section 12, the end. So what we need to do is this one, we're going to continue it to number 12. Number 12 will be the end. Okay? So if I put here, it can say the end. We don't need this to have a question with it, so we're going to put that in the trash. So now every time I'm choosing, it will say the end, number 12. Okay, that was section 2. Now I need to fill in section 3. Copy, Control-C, and then in section 3, I'm going to Control-V, paste it. Okay? Now if you want to put the options there for the titles, you can do that, or you can if you want to use that as your title, you can. Otherwise, you don't have to. It can be just part of the story. Okay, so now when we go to section 3, it's going to have a question with it. So in question 3, we need to copy the question in section 3. I'm going to add a plus, and I'm going to paste the question in there. So the options will come from section 4 and 5. I'm going to copy this answer, Control-C, and Control-V, paste it in. Now same thing, go to the second option, copy it, and paste it in the second one. I need to go to the 3 dots, click go to section based on answer, and I'll go back next door. And so if someone wants this option from section 4, I need to make sure that I click on section 4. If someone wants the second option, they need to go to section 5. Okay, so that one is completed. Now you're going to go to the next one. So let's go back. What is section 4? This part is section 4, so I can highlight all of it. If that happens, try it again. And I'm going to copy the words from section 4 and paste it into section 4. Now, section 4 goes to the end, so I want to click, and where it says go to next section, it's going to go to the end. Okay, now it's section 5. I can delete the title, and I'm going to add the words from section 5. I'm going to copy and paste them in here. Okay, and now this one needs to have a question, so I'm going to add a plus and go back. My question is here. I can copy it and paste it in. So my first option is from section 6. Copy and paste. Same thing, copy for the second question. And I'm going to paste it in the second option. Go to the 3 dots, click go to section based on answer. So if I want this answer, I'm going to go to section 6. So I'm going to click on 6, and this answer, the second answer, will give me go to section 7. Okay. Now, I'm in section 6, same thing. I'm going to copy and paste exactly what I have for section 6. Okay, can delete the title. If you don't delete the title, you're going to see the words untitled section. Now, this was an ending, so I need to click go to the end. Section 7, copy it, paste it. And we're almost there. Paste it in the description. Section 7 has a question, so copy and paste the question. And then, we want it to always be in multiple choice. And then, so you're going to copy and paste your options. Option 1 and option 2. Okay, so this one, click, go to section based on answer, and for section 8, this is section 8, so the first answer will be section 8, and the second answer will be section 9, and we need to copy and paste the words in there. This is 8, so this one will go to the end. And section 9 is going to have a question as well. Section 9, paste it in. Okay, so section 9, we need to add a question. Copy and paste your question in there. Option 1, and option 2. We're almost there. Okay, so I need to make sure that I can go to section based on answer. So, last 2. So I'm going to copy and paste the words that I have for section 10. This one will go to section 10. This one will go to section 11. And I'm going to paste in my words there in the description. Okay, now this one will go to the end. And now the last one, I paste my number 11. And this one is actually also going to go to the end. So I need to copy and paste. Okay, and this one will go to the end as well, since it's the last two choices that someone could end on. Alright, so now you've finished copying and pasting into your form. In order to check it out, you can go to where the eye is and preview and try out the different options.